What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Mustang, and today we got a new phone in the house, and introducing here the Honor X9b. And I actually did review the X9a before, and I'm really excited for this phone because it's actually very interesting. And with that being said, now let's just check out this phone. Alright, so I'm going to start off here with a quick unboxing video for you guys who are interested to purchase this. So if you're from Malaysia and you want to pre-order this, I would advise you to do it so, because from 27th up until 1st of November, if you guys do any kind of deposit to reserve this, you can actually enjoy free stuff like your earbuds, your Honor bands, and also a 1-year front and back crack replacement, and also you'll be in the chance of winning some cash back over here, and who doesn't like that? So now let's just unbox this bad boy up here. I didn't get the orange leather edition, which is a bit of a bummer, but not too bad. So here we get some nice SIM pin ejector tool, as you would, and also a very nice clear phone case, and also going on to the phone here as well, looking really cool with a white color addition. And also going to go on to the 35 watt on a supercharger over here, the 3-pin for people living in Malaysia, and also you have the USB-A to USB-C cable. So let's just check out this phone right here, which is going to be built as the toughest phone in 2023. So this is going to be really nice matte white finish on the back, so you're not going to get a lot of fingerprints on this. The volume rocker is located on the top of the power button here, very clean on the other side. And also on the bottom we have the down-firing speaker, we have the SIM card tray slot, and also USB-C for charging, and also we have the selfie camera on top. So this is how it all looks like. Very nice with that amazing display. I gotta say, it looks really nice and crispy, and yeah, looking all very nice.